Welcome to Cropler Web Platform. Let's look around. Once you got your Agri camera, it's time to sync it with the web platform. Go to cropler.io, sign up to access the web platform and enter your email address. Now check your inbox and verify your account. Set a password for your account. Congrats! You are in. Now it is time to create your first workspace. In Settings, enter Cropler Agri camera credentials to add it to your dashboard. All that is left to do is to set up your Agri camera location. Now you can see all the latest crop photo data in one dashboard and track key agronomical parameters such as temperature, GDD, NDVI, and dew-fall duration. Click a crop to see daily time series photo data in several modes such as RGB and NDVI. Leave notes and comments such as crop growth stages or scheduled agricultural operations, and share them with your colleagues. Compare day-to-day and season-to-season plant photo data for smarter agricultural decisions. Moreover, you can use the inbuilt interactive map to scout your fields using NDVI satellite imagery combined with plant photo data. Let your crops speak.